Hello everyone, my name is Manjeet and today I am going to teach you chapter 6 of science, the life processes. What do we mean by life processes? Life processes is the processes which are performed by living organisms, and these are various kind of processes like growth, movement, reproduction, excretion, circulation, respiration. You all aware of all these processes and you studied all these processes in the previous classes. Now I am going to teach you what is a living thing. How can you differentiate between a living and a non-living thing? Like non-living and living. अभी मैंने आपको जो प्रोसेसेस बताए जैसे रिप्रोडक्शन, ग्रोथ, movement, etc. These are performed by only living organisms, not by the non-living organisms. तो आप सिंपली लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग के बीच में कैसे डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं? लिविंग थिंग्स आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर दोज which do not perform any of such functions which are performed by living organisms. So what our topic is, next topic is nutrition. Nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? Nutrition is the process of taking food to perform various kind of functions. Various functions. So, what are the types of nutrition? There are two types of nutrition basically. One is heterotrophic and another is autotrophic. One is autotrophic, another is heterotrophic. Now, there are further subtypes of heterotrophic type of nutrition like holozoic, another is parasitic, another one is saprophytic. So, first of all we take autotrophic type of nutrition. Autotrophic type of nutrition is the nutrition in which an organism make their food by their own with the using of raw materials present in earth atmosphere, like autotrophic. It is performed by plants, mainly green plants. How green plants make their food by their own? By the process of, you all know, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants, green plants, make their food by in the presence of sunlight and in the presence of a substance, chlorophyll, present in the green leaves of plant. So, what is photosynthesis? We see photosynthesis. I told you about the definition of photosynthesis. Now there is a reaction of photosynthesis, 6CO2 plus 12H2O, sunlight, chlorophyll. What they give you is C6H12O6, that is glucose, plus 6O2 plus 6H2. This is the reaction of photosynthesis. What you see in this reaction, CO2, carbon dioxide and water are inorganic substances, and glucose is a carbohydrate which is organic. So we can say that in the photosynthesis reaction, inorganic molecules are converted into the organic molecules by plants in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Next is raw materials. Used in this reaction. Which are the raw materials that are used in these reactions in this photosynthesis reactions are CO2, water, sunlight. In this reaction, the second thing is that light energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay, now further what we see, the next topic is in this how this photosynthesis takes place. How this photosynthesis takes place in the presence of stomata. Stomata are the guard-like structures. These are like these are stomata. What do these stomata do? The two basic functions which are performed by stomata are, one is transpiration. Transpiration means loss of excess of water from the plants is known as transpiration. Another function is performed by stomata is exchange of gases. Exchange of gases means that अभी हमने पढ़ा photosynthesis क्या था, that takes place in the green plants, in green leaves, where we take CO2 and release O2. So that thing is take place in leaves with the help of stomata. So I think this portion is clear to you. Next topic is we should have another type of nutrition, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which the organism take their food by green plants, or we can say that organism is dependent on another organism for their food and energy. So there are further subtypes of this heterotrophic nutrition is holozoic, holozoic type of nutrition, which are B. Nutrition is a type of nutrition by which organism take food from green plants like humans. Okay, the next type of heterotrophic nutrition is saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition. This is also known as decomposition. Saprophytic type of nutrition is the nutrition in which an organism gets its food from dead and decayed organisms present in earth surface, like decayed dead bodies of animals, fallen leaves from trees, etc. They are also known as, these organisms are also known as decomposers. So this is saprophytic mode of nutrition. Another type of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic. Parasitic is a type of nutrition in which an organism lives or directly depend on other organisms and get its food from that organisms by the loss to that organism. Means एक organism किसी दूसरे organism के अंदर रहेगा, वहीं से अपना खाना लेगा और उस दूसरे organism को जिसके अंदर वो रह रहा है, host organism के अंदर, उसको affect करेगा, like viruses, bacteria. Next, parasitic nutrition is subtypes हैं, वो हैं ectoparasitic, और endoparasitic. Ectoparasitic is a type of organisms which lives on outside the body. ये आपकी बॉडी के बाहर प्रेजेंट होंगे, किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी के बाहर प्रेजेंट होंगे, लाइक इन ह्यूमंस लाइस, which depends on the blood of humans and other animals. Another type of endoparasitic are the organisms which lives inside the body, like we are seeing today coronavirus. You can say that this is the organism which lives in human body. It is live in human body, multiply in human body, get its food from human body, and cause a lot of harm to the host body. For this virus, this coronavirus, human body is the host body. When it kills totally the one host body, it moves to the another host body to complete their life cycle. So this is all about the chapter 6. We will continue this chapter in further videos. Thank you so much. You understand the coronavirus, so stay home, don't be host for this coronavirus. Thank you.